in the last class we completed almost all that chapter. So today we can revise. Okay, are you ready for revision?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So before that, I want to remind you about something. Aditi, Pranav, some are there. Angelina, Martin.
You.
Okay, mute it. Okay. Otherwise, see now, if everybody, see 40 students are there, if you all are talking, how can I take the class? So mute it, and I will call some students, those only to answer that question. Others can hear it. Okay. Others can listen to that. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I think you had completed your workbook exercise of this chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Respiratory system. I had sent
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
question answers. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Is there
Ma'am,
anybody?
so only some, ma'am. We want to complete 15 words.
15 answers.
All words.
Sorry, Shreya, your network is low, so please wait. I will ask you.
Ma'am, 17th and 18th, 19th
15,
questions.
16, 17, 18,
Sorry.
19. We didn't write.
Okay, okay, okay.
20.
So today we will write that. Today I will send it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday,
Okay, ma'am.
up to stethoscope, I discussed this in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So first onwards, we can discuss it today. All take the EVS workbook and be ready with it. I can call anybody. Pranav, please
Okay, ma'am.
mute your audio.
For ask for writing.
See, please mute your audio. Everybody.
I want some more to complete.
Who wants some more to complete?
Krishna.
Krishna, don't tell me like these excuses. Prayag, please mute your audio, okay? Pawan, mute your audio. So everybody keep your, Prayag, mute your audio. Keep your EVS workbook. I will call each one of you. You can tell the answer, others listen to it. If it is not correct in your workbook, please check it and do it. Okay? So, Vaika, Vaika, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Afam? Muhammad Afam? Okay. Do you have the workbook, Muhammad Afam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, keep your workbook also with you, okay?
Okay.
So, first question, Vaika. Whose audio is not muted? Whose audio is not muted? Afam. Okay. Hrudan. Saurav's chair only I can see. Where is Saurav? Okay. See, if you are moving, please mute it and move. So that it won't disturb the others. Animal Jiffy. I want to see your face. Angelina Rose also. So first question, Vaika,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to answer it. Which of the following is not a part of the respiratory system? Nose, windpipe,
Intestine.
lung, intestine. Which one?
Intestine.
Okay, D. Answer is D. All the other three are parts of respiratory system. Okay? Next one, Russell. Russell, are you ready? Russell.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What is or are protected by the rib cage?
Skeletal muscle.
Sorry. Second question. Do you have the workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see the second question. What is or are protected by the rib cage? Nose, lungs, windpipe, mouth.
Now I take a muscles chapter.
See, respiratory system, muscles chapter is over. Okay. Are you ready now, Russell?
Ma'am.
Okay, so say the answer of the second question.
Ma'am, lungs.
Okay, very good. Lungs. Lungs are the protected by rib cage. Jovel. Jovel. Jovel Justin, are you ready? Jovel Justin, are you ready? No, Jovel is not ready. So Vinayak. Vinayak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So be ready with the third question's answer. Third question. Dash separates the lungs from the stomach and the intestine. Okay, diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm. So I will call. Okay. I will call Pranav. Pranav or Prasad. Pranav or Prasad. Yes. Can you tell me the spelling of diaphragm? Diaphragm.
DIAPHRAGM.
Okay, DIAPHRAGM. Okay, write and study these spellings. Okay. Shiva Gayatri, where are you? Aditi, where are you? Then Prinova, are you ready, Prinova? Prinova. Prinova? No. See, I think some of your networks are very slow. Prinova, are you ready? Prinova. Okay. Can you tell me the fourth one answer? We take in dash from the air. Fourth one. We take in dash from the air. 1 minute. Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the fourth one answer. We take in dash from the air.
Breathing.
What is the question?
Respiratory system, that chapter's fourth question. We take in dash from the air.
Oxygen.
Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer.
What we taking? Oxygen.
I got the answer, but I want the answer from each student because I am checking whether you had completed it or not. I am checking it. So Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
is that answers are there in your workbook?
No.
Why? Why you did not complete the notes? Today you complete it and take the photo and send to me. Okay?
Okay,
Today
ma'am.
itself. Okay. Next one, Shiva Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one question. Name the organ system in the body that helps in respiration.
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system. The answer is respiratory system. Sixth one answer, Rena, sixth one answer. Are you ready, Rena?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, name any one organ that helps in respiration.
Lungs.
Okay, any one you can write. You can write nose, lungs, windpipe, otherwise trachea, diaphragm. Any of the one you can write. Okay. Rena, now mute your audio.
Nose.
Angelina Relix.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you gave me the answer of seventh question. What is respiration?
Respiration
Read out.
is of taking in oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide.
Respiration is the process of taking in oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide. I hope everyone had written the same answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But
Yes. Yes, tell me. Who wants to talk first?
Ma'am, but I didn't write from the air in that question.
Okay.
In the
From
notes, it
there.
was not there. The
No.
notes. In the notes, it was not there.
Respiration is the process of taking in oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide.
It was there, ma'am.
Okay, okay. This one also you can write, that one also. Okay,
Okay,
no
ma'am.
problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one. See, everybody mute your audio. Amin muted. Anandan Raj.
Yes,
Anandan
ma'am.
Raj. Okay.
Yes.
I want the true or false answer. Okay. Prinova. I want Anandan Raj answer this question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. All others check it. Eighth one question. Breathing in and out happen due to the up and down movement of the lungs.
False.
False. This statement is false. Okay.
Ma'am?
Ninth one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat the question?
Yes, sure. Breathing in and out happen due to the up and down movement of the lungs.
False. False.
Ninth one, Anandan Raj. Ninth one, Amin, mute yourself and sit quietly. Ninth one, while breathing out, oxygen is given out.
False.
False. This statement is false. 10th one, when the diaphragm moves down, the elastic walls of the lungs expand.
Ma'am,
True.
Ma'am?
Answer is true. Yes,
The-
Angelina Martin.
the
Yes.
elastic verse or verse?
Elastic walls. WALLS. Walls of the lungs expand. Okay, that is true.
Wow.
11th one.
Ma'am.
11th one. Yes, yes. Who is calling?
Ma'am, Hrudan.
What do you want, Hrudan?
Ma'am, eighth answer what?
8th one answer. It is false. 8th one answer is false.
Yes.
9th one answer is also false. 10th one answer is true. 11th one, Anandan Raj.
Yes. True.
Okay, we exhale carbon dioxide from the lungs. That is true. That statement is true. Right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
yes.
Page number what?
Sorry?
Page number.
Page number. Can anybody help him? Page by saying the page number.
6 and 7.
Okay, page number 6 and 7. Okay.
Ma'am, 17 right, ma'am.
Okay, now let me ask to Ahil, then
Yes, ma'am.
Ahil, do you have the notes with you?
No, because I am doing quarantine.
You are in quarantine. Where are you? In here or in abroad?
Here, India.
India. Okay, okay. So next one, question, 12th question. Okay, 12th question. Are you ready? I will call. Say. Okay. Vaigari.
Ma'am,
Okay. State the role of diaphragm in respiration.
breathing in and breathing out happen due to up and down movement of
Movement of the
diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Okay. Once again you read it. Once again you read it, Vaigari.
Breathing in and breathing out happens due to the up and down movement of diaphragm.
Movement of the diaphragm. Okay. Movement of the diaphragm. Okay. Next one. 13th one question. Saurav. Aromal, don't move from there. Sit there. Saurav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is
Answer what? That's true or false.
True or false? You did not do that one. True or false? Okay. Okay, we will discuss it. Now you listen to question number 30. Afa, mute your audio. Mute your audio. Afa, mute it. Okay. Now listen to 13th one. Okay. 13th one answer. I want to get it from Saurav. Saurav. Saurav says. Vishnu Venu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the two steps of respiration?
Breathing in and breathing out.
See how you wrote it in the workbook. 1 minute.
Some disturbance.
Yes, I am not making any disturbing sound from here. What all it is coming from your audio. That is why check it whether your audio is muted or it is unmuted. Check it. Okay. Aditi, please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Okay. Now, can you hear me now? Show the like sign if you can hear me. Show you can hear. Okay. So I will ask some students to unmute. Those only can unmute it. Okay. Others can't do it. So, Amin, unmute yourself. Okay. What are the two steps of respiration? Unmute. Amin, unmute it.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Read the answer.
Which one?
13th one. 13th one.
The two steps of respiration are first breathing in, inhale oxygen into the lungs.
Very good.
Second one, breathing out, exhale carbon dioxide from the lungs.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now unmute it. Okay. Sorry, mute it. Next one. It is a big question, right? It's a picture-based question. I will ask Shreya. Shreya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, everybody can watch it, can hear that question. Okay. Question number 14. It is based on a picture. See, you have A, B. Two pictures are there. Two pictures
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there. Based on the picture, you have to write the answer. Shreya,
Yes,
label the
ma'am.
activity shown in the picture. Write the steps involved in both the activities. So, A. Label A.
Breathe.
What you can label?
Breathe in or inhaling.
Okay, inhaling. That is the same thing which is shown in the here also. No, in the board I show one picture
Yes, ma'am.
for explaining the
Yes, ma'am.
diaphragm. Okay. Now, so what is the steps involved in it?
The diaphragm moves down to take in oxygen from the nose into the lungs.
The diaphragm moves down to take in oxygen from the nose to the lungs. Okay.
Yes,
Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
B. Picture B. What it shows? Picture B.
Breathe out or exhaling.
Breathe out or exhaling. Aromal, I can see what all things you are doing there. Okay. Next one. Okay, breathe out or exhaling. Next one, steps involved.
The diaphragm moves up to release carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose.
Okay, the diaphragm moves up to release carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose. These all I clearly described in the class, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Now mute yourself, Shreya. Okay. I will call now Avantika, Avantika, unmute yourself. Okay. See, question number 15 and 16. Are you ready with that?
Yes.
Avantika, okay. So I will read the question. Which of the following activity will mostly make us breathe the fastest? Eating, swimming, sitting steady, or studying?
Swimming.
Swimming. Some activities, some fast activities only makes our breathing faster, right? So the answer is B. 16th one. 16th one. Which of the following statement is correct? Usually adults breathe about 24 times in an hour. Children breathe about 18 times in a minute. Adults breathe about 18 times in a minute. Usually adults breathe about 18 times in a minute. What is the answer?
Usually adults breathe about 18 times in a minute.
Okay, D. Answer is D. Answer is D.
D.
Okay? Okay. Now mute yourself. Now I will call Aditi. 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 Aditi Ishwar. No. Okay. Can you hear me, Aditi?
Yes.
Okay. Aditi, can you read the answer of 17th question? Are you ready? Aditi, switch on the video. Switch on the video. Okay, I will come to you after that. Let me ask to Angelina Rose. Angelina Rose. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please read the answer. 17th one answer. Did I give 17th one answer?
No. No.
Okay. So I taught you, right? Okay. So
Why
let me
do we
ask, need to breathe. Why do we need to breathe? We can
Breathe.
discuss this now. Why? Why we need to breathe? Angelina.
To
Yes, yes. Tell me. Why we need to breathe? Vishnu. Why we need to breathe? Vishnu. Vishnu Venu. Why we need to breathe?
to get in oxygen to
Very good. Very good. We need oxygen to do so many body functions, right? We
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to breathe because we need oxygen for many of our body functions. We need oxygen for many of our body functions. Next one. Next question. Just don't write it now. I will send the notes. Okay. Now we can discuss that question. So it will be easy for you to write. Explain 18th question. 18th question. Explain the faster we move, the faster we breathe. This is a statement, right? The faster we move, the faster we breathe. Who can answer that one? Just on your own words. Who can answer it? Raise your hand. Who can? Okay, Vishnu is ready. Angelina, Martin is ready. Amin is ready. Sri Shankar, are you ready for it? Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar. Unmute it. Sri Shankar. No. So,
Ma'am.
yes, yes. Ahil, Ahil, give me the answer. Unmute and give me the answer. Ahil.
Can you ask the question again?
Okay. The faster we move, the faster we breathe.
Ma'am, when we move,
When we move faster.
breathe faster.
Why we breathe faster when we move?
Because our heart.
Say. He is giving answer. He is trying to give answer. Others, please keep quiet. Ahil.
Because our body system becomes faster when
We will start to breathe faster.
Please wait. Please wait. Vishnu, I can hear Vishnu sound. Vishnu, give me the answer, Vishnu.
When
Yes.
when we do anything faster, our body needs more oxygen to
Very good.
function
Very
faster.
good. Okay, okay. So when we do some activities, very good, Vishnu. Ahil, as you did one attempt, okay, very good. But you have to be, you just listen the answer, okay. When we do some activities, our body needs more oxygen. Okay, when we do some activities, our body needs more oxygen according to the difficulty level. According to the difficulty level of the activity, the speed of breathing also increases. Okay, according to the difficulty level of the activity, the speed of breathing also increases. Therefore, the faster we move, the faster we breathe. We need oxygen to do body functions. If we do some activities, we need more oxygen. That is why we breathe faster than the usual. According to the difficulty level of the activity. According to the difficulty level of the activity, the speed of breathing also increases. Okay. And now the question is based on the 19th question. 19th question. Amin, Amin, are you ready? Amin, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 19th question. Just you can see the picture, right?
Yes.
In your own words, you can give me that answer. Okay. What happens when we blow air on the following food items? What happens to the hot food when we blow air to hot food?
Ma'am, can I take question?
Amin is ready to tell the answer. Amin, give me the answer.
Can I tell question?
Okay. What happens when we blow air on the hot food items? Hot food items. What will happen? Hot food item. Angelina Martin, unmute yourself. Okay, what happens to the food? Hot food when we blow air on it?
The food becomes cool.
Yeah, the hot food will
Ma'am?
become cold. Why?
Ma'am, I have a confusion, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, tell me.
Can you send the question of 16 and the questions in the WhatsApp?
Okay, I will send the rest of the questions today. Okay, now
Okay.
just we are discussing the question now. Okay, so the food item which is hot. Yes, who can't who cannot hear it? Okay, so if the food item is hot, if we blow air on it, it will become cool. Okay. Angelina Martin. Angelina Martin, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, like you can't hear me.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I can hear you. But when I mute myself, when I want to unmute my, it is saying the host is not allowing them to unmute themselves.
Okay, now it is allowed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I think rest of the question answers I will send it through the WhatsApp. It is now the time to wind up my class.
Okay.
Everybody should write down the question answers. Those don't have the workbook with them, they can write it in a notebook or in a paper. Okay? When I discuss these question answers in the class, that question answer should be there with you. Okay? Should be there with you. Otherwise, you have to show it to me at the same time. that day itself. Okay. So now I wind up my session. Thank you.